Get ready to slay. Harare Mega Doek Slay is coming. Party popper fire. Harare, are you ready for the ultimate December bash? Get your calendars marked and your best doeks picked out because the Harare Mega Doek Slay is hitting the Alick Sports Club on December 14, 2025, and it's bringing an absolutely epic lineup you won't want to miss. Event Hulks is pulling out all the stops to deliver a day and night of non-stop entertainment with some of Zimbabwe's biggest and brightest stars. This isn't just an event. It's a celebration of music, culture, and pure good vibes. Prepare for a musical explosion with this incredible lineup. Jah Prayzah Zimbabwe. The man himself. Get ready to sing along to all your favorite hits and experience his electrifying stage presence. Alick Macheso Fire. The King of Sungura will be gracing the stage, promising a performance that will have everyone on their feet. Baba Harare Cool. Bring your dancing shoes because Baba Harare is guaranteed to get the party started with his infectious energy and catchy tunes. Jah Signal Musical Notes. The talented Jah Signal will be there to serenade us with his unique sound and powerful vocals. Nisha TS Dancer. Get ready for some fierce moves and incredible talent as Nisha TS takes the stage. In Total Band Guitar. Rounding out this stellar lineup, In Total Band will be there to keep the energy high and the music flowing. From Sungura to contemporary Zimdancehall and everything in between, this event promises a diverse musical experience that caters to everyone. Imagine dancing under the Harare sky, surrounded by good company and incredible live music. What more could you ask for? Event details. Date: December 14, 2025. Venue: Alick Sports Club, Harare Stadium. Featuring Jah Prayzah, Alick Macheso, Baba Harare, Jah Signal, Nisha TS, and In Total Band. Don't be left out when everyone is talking about the hashtag Harare Mega Doek Slay. Tickets are available now, so make sure you grab yours before they're gone. This is more than just a concert. It's a movement, a moment, a memory waiting to be made. Get your doeks ready, gather your crew, and prepare to slay. See you there.